Welcome to Lily Artist English. As you loved previous video of lining painting, so here I am again with a beautiful pattern and will paint with lining painting in dry shade. So let's get started. I will be using round brush number 4, deep pearl purple and sap green for painting this design. In step 1 of painting this design, we have to repeat the outline of the flower with the paint and help of the round brush like this, making the line very clear and clean. And step by step you have to repeat the process and outline all the flower and petal. After outlining one by one, we have to take a little bit of color on the brush, only on the tip of the brush, and we will shade it with the dry shade. You can shade it from both top and bottom, but I will be only shading it from bottom, shading it like upward direction. Okay. After painting flower all the way, we will start painting leaf and repeating the process. First of all, we have to repeat the outline with the paint. And here also I'm using the same round brush and sap green color. So follow me throughout the video so that you can understand it very well. And if you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe. Share it with your friends and family who are genuinely interested in fabric painting and wants to learn fabric painting, because on this channel you will get all about fabric painting in English. This is my second channel, and if you understand Hindi, you can visit my main channel Lily Artist Fabric Works. There you can get more than 700 plus tutorial video, and I promise that will be very helpful for you in your fabric painting journey. After lining the leaf, I will be adding shade in leaf also. So here I'm adding shade like half of the shade from the upper part of the leaf and half of the shade from the inner side of the leaf. Okay, so you have to divide the leaf and shade it in alternative method. Lining painting is a very easy yet beautiful technique of fabric painting. By this technique, you can paint very beautiful flower, small flower, big flower, whichever you like, and it will take less amount of your time. Still, it will look very beautiful. You can add many colors in your design, like you can do a multicolor flower in the same design. I have used same color, one purple, but you can use red, yellow, blue, purple, and it will turn out very beautiful. So this is a technique very helpful for beginner. I hope you like it. So let's complete this design and I will show you the complete look of this design. I'm shading the last leaf of this design. After the shading this design will be completed. And ta-da! This is the final look of our beautiful, cute little flower design. I hope you like it. Share your opinion in the comment section. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Bye bye.